Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is Fix Anything at Home Without Calling a Pro. So guys, make sure to download this application into your device. It will be available on the Google Play Store. And now, just simply go ahead and open the application. Now from here, as you can see, it is just showing you the features of the app. So just simply select continue. Now from here, you will have here the homepage. So from here down below, you should be able to have a fixed type. We have home appliances, plumbing, smartphone, electrical. So pretty much you will have your categories in order for you to narrow down. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and go for home appliances over here. And you could just simply tap on add a photo. And after that, you could just simply take a picture on your phone. So guys, for example, I will be trying to fix my microwave. So take a picture of that and tap on OK. And from here, just simply go ahead and try to describe your situation. So let's say my microwave is not heating, and just simply tap on get it fixed. And after that, guys, you should be able to see some DIY repair tutorials in order for you to fix this issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.